Alright guys, so hopefully we're live. If you like this video, press like. Yep, it says green. So basically what we're going to be doing is running through how to install Certify the Web and Let's Encrypt and automatically generate a certificate. Well, not automatically, you got to click a button. But basically generate a certificate and put it on your IIS website. So yeah, once again, like, subscribe if you like this, but yeah. So this is Let's Encrypt. It's a free certificate authority, which it's all open source, non-profit. It's pretty cool. Jump on the website and have a read if you want to. Basically, what I've got here is I've pointed this domain name to this IIS server internally, so it's not available from the internet, but anyway, that's fine. I don't really want it to be available from the internet. This is just for testing. So you can see here I've got my default website, which is running on port 80, which is running on my local host. So you can see here local host, but it's the same website that aussiegrowth.com points to. So what you want to do is first you want to download the Let's Encrypt, no, the Certify the Web. So basically you want to go to Certify the Web, hit download. I've already downloaded it, it's sitting here in my downloads. So we'll install the application. Which is pretty easy, just run the installer and then run the application. So now we can see here what we've got. I've got this default website certificate which I was playing around with earlier, but what I want to do is go new certificate. We select our website, which is our default website inside of IIS right here. Put in the domain name and hit the little plus icon there. So what we want to do too is change the challenge type. So because this website's not available from the internet, it's only available on this server, I'm just running it locally. I'm going to do a DNS authorization, which should be all fine. You can say what method you want to do. I'm using Cloudflare, so I'm just going to click Cloudflare. And now I'm going to request test. I'll hit test. Oh. Let's go update DNS manually. We'll go test. And now we hit request certificate. So hopefully this just works. There we go. So now it's successful. So what I should be able to do is in here, view my service certificates. There we go. I've got that. So if I try to browse my website now with HTTPS, which it's not going to work, you can see there the site can't be reached because I haven't actually set a binding. So what I can do here is, at the moment you can see I've only got it running on port 80. So if I go bindings, hit add, and we'll change this to HTTPS. I'll put my domain name in there. Now I've only used this domain name because it's one that I've got and I don't really use. Select the certificate, so that's the certificate that we've seen before. Hit OK, and now it's there. So I should be able to just browse this website, and now we see we've got that little thing here. So connection is secure. You can see my certificate is valid. I can click on the certificate and see it was issued by R3, which must be a name for something, whoever their issuing people are. But yeah, so I've got that Let's Encrypt certificate on there. So that's actually it. It's quite simple. I think the first time you do it, you need to add a DNS setting, but it just basically tells you where to add it in. So I will show you what my DNS setting looked like. So you can see here, I'd already added that earlier, but basically it tells you need to add in this CNAME Acme challenge to this target IP, hit apply, If you're using Cloudflare, make sure it's not proxied. Just turn off the proxying. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, guys, this is a pretty quick video. There's not much more to say. It just works. It's pretty good. When it runs out, you'll need to renew it. Just whack in a new new DNS entry, and then request the renewal, and basically it just renews, which it's pretty cool. If you do want to have a look, there is some stuff on automating it. If you have like Apache and stuff, you can automate the renewal process. I'm going to try and figure out how to do it on IIS, and then make another video of how to automatically renew your certificate on IIS. I haven't got it actually set up anywhere. I'm just doing it manually at the moment. But yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.